Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Creative by Nature. My name is Donna. I am really excited to share this with you. I received some surprise friend mail from my friend Stacey over at Stacey's Stash. Let's get into it. All right, so I got spoiled yet again. Thank you, Stacey. It was an awesome surprise. It was so fun to open. I opened everything already. I just couldn't wait. So first thing she sent me were these bells, and I was oohing and awing over them when she got them. They are going to be so fun to use at Christmas time. And then she also got me these fillable ornaments. Again, these are going to be so fun to play around with at Christmas time. And then she sent me this cute little stocking with this cute little angel in it. And one of my daughters already claimed it. She's like, "Mom, I want that." Like, can't anything just be for me? So this was super fun. She got me this, or sent me this cute little trailer. It's an earring, but oh my word, won't that just make the cutest little charm? And then she sent me these gorgeous glass beads. Love them. Oh, such a pretty green. And I love that there's little flowers on there. So pretty. And then she sent me these craft sticks. And oh, there's so many uses for these. And then she sent me these two really cute notebooks. My one daughter has already claimed this one. She wanted this one, but I'm like, no, I need to have a notebook. And I love this. I thought they're so pretty. Love the colors. And then I have to say, my friends have been stocking me up with stickers. Oh man. So Stacey sent me some stickers. The first one, oh my word, look at that. They are cactus resin pieces. Aren't they just so pretty? I thought these would be great to paint. Sorry about the glare. She sent me these seashells, and they are like stained glass. So pretty. And these were super fun. I thought they were so cool. Cupcake and cactus. Those are so cool. She sent me these two, one with butterflies and ladybugs in gold. Again, it's kind of like stained glass. And then these flowers, so gorgeous. I actually have never seen these ones before, so I thought that was really cool. So fun. I'm actually thinking, I wonder if alcohol markers could be used in these. I'm going to test that out because I think that would be super fun. And then she sent me these embellishment stickers. It's really cool with the keys. And there's like borders and whatnot. So cool. That would be great to use in junk journals. And then she sent me all of these. Again, great for junk journals or tags. So fun. I'm gonna have a lot of fun, Stacey. Thank you. And then these stickers, how adorable are these, Woodland? And then these flowers, gorgeous. I love flowers and I love critters. Ha! My friends all know I love cactus and fun, whimsical llamas. So she sent me these. So cute. And she sent me these ones. Sorry about that. Llamas and cactus. They're kind of puffy, foiled. Okay, I saved the two best for last. First is this stamp. It says it's wine o'clock somewhere. Okay, this is just funny because my friends and I, yeah, we like wine. So this stamp is absolutely perfect for us. We always joke around saying we want to get together and have some wine, but we're on opposite ends of the country, so I'll be thinking of you all. And then Stacey made me this beautiful box with this butterfly embellishment. Isn't that so pretty? I love that. And then she did like a technique here on the box. And then inside, she made this beautiful resin wings embellishment. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the shimmer. So pretty. I like the back too. I just love that. And then she also included this owl charm. So cool. Stacey, thank you. Thank you, Stacey, so much. It means a lot. I feel absolutely spoiled. I really do. Everyone, please check Stacey's channel out. I again will have her channel listed down in my description box. She does lots of different things over there on her channel, so do check her out. Thanks again, Stacey, and I hope you're all doing well. Have a wonderful day. Bye.